When I say AI, most people usually imagine robots and supercomputers taking over the world. But I want to share a different perspective. When I look around my house, I see many AI-based gadgets that make our lives much easier. From smart lights to virtual assistants, they help with tasks I didn't even realize could be automated. And that's when it struck me. AI isn't changing what we do, it is changing the way we think. AI shifts our focus from finding information to questioning information. When I was small, I would ask my parents for every single doubt. Why is the sky blue? Why do birds sing? Now with AI, I get answers within a second. And then I realized something important. AI encourages us to ask more questions, think deeper, and to explore ideas we might never have considered before. Now, when I'm trying to solve a hard math problem and I ask AI for help, it just doesn't give me the answer. It walks me through those steps and helps me understand the process. It's like having a smart partner who guides and influences your thinking rather than replacing it. AI also helps you turn your ideas into images. It brings life to things that once existed in your imaginations. AI, for example, imagine a flying pig or a city made entirely of candy. They can appear with just a single click. Whether solving problems or creating something new, AI helps us think differently by expanding what we can learn, visualize, and imagine. AI can do many things humans can do too, but often more efficiently. But we still shouldn't trust AI for everything. Human judgment, creativity, and ethics remain irreplaceable. AI can support us, but it is up to us to make the final decisions. AI can also make you question yourself. Do I really need to figure this out by myself, or AI probably knows better than me? This can make you lose self-trust and independence if you're not careful. AI is a tool, not a replacement for our thinking. The future of AI is not something that will simply happen to us. We will shape it, we will create it. The present and future is already filled with AI, and it is up to us to use it responsibly, creatively, and ethically. As Elon Musk once said, AI is likely to either be the best or worst thing to happen to humanity. The choice is ours. So let's embrace AI as a tool to learn, grow, and imagine. Let's use it to ask more questions, think deeper, and to explore new ideas. But let's never replace it with the qualities that make us human: our judgment, creativity, ethics, and emotions. The future is AI, and it is up to us, and we are the ones who will decide how that future unfolds. Thank you.